Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in the Panama Canal, and we're just starting our run for the Panama Canal. Oh,
down on deck 10 or 11, you can hear me. Will you wave?
And the captain's talking, or the presentator is talking, but I wanted to show you some things before we get too far. Let me take a look and show you what we're looking at. So here's Panama, the city, and we're getting close to the Bridge of Americas. But this is, you can see all the ships stacked up at sea. And it's pretty amazing, and so there's just a ton of boats. This is only one side. The other side has like twice as many, but this is what it looks like when you start the Panama Canal run, and so it should be pretty amazing. And so and the city is way over there. Yep, you can see the Lego building over there too, which is pretty cool. And this is it. And so everybody on the ship is out on the deck and seeing stuff and enjoying the views. It's pretty amazing. So you can see what we're looking at here. I mean, yeah, pretty incredible. And here's what the boat looks like. But that's not why we're here, is it? We're here to see the Panama Canal. Wow. Very cool. See if I can zoom in for you a titch. There we go. So this way you can see the city a little better. So very cool. And I hope to have this uploaded by the time we get done with the Panama Canal, everybody, so you can see the whole thing. Very cool. All right, I'll be back. Bye. Cheers, everybody. Here's a beer for the Panama Canal at 7 in the morning. Yeah, I know it's crazy, but it's Panama City and it's the Panama Canal. How do you go wrong? Anyway, cheers, everybody. Thanks for enjoying the videos. Bye. All right, everybody, I'm headed to the front of the ship where the crowds are, and you can see the crowds, just to see if I can get a picture of the Bridge of Americas. And you can see how crazy and crowded it is. But, you know, when you're tall, you can do all sorts of things. Let me see if I can get this zoom in to work a bit, and you can see all these people here just hanging out. There's my zoom. Nice, nice.
I'm right here behind you.
All right, so the information is the bridge was done in 1962, and it was the very first bridge in Panama. So it's pretty amazing. Oh, I heard my name. Doreen. How you doing, Doreen? Good. You're going to be on YouTube. Okay, I'll start recording here in a second. Bye. We're getting closer to the Bridge of the Americas. Look at the birds.
Pilot has just joined us up here on the bridge. And a lot of help to get us through the canal today. So here's the Bridge of the Americas. This is your first landmark on our day today. As we pass under the bridge, just consider they're building the fourth bridge. And if they haven't done much yet, if you're on the starboard side, you may see some crane activity over there where they're starting to lower part of the mountain over there. The plan is to have a nice new taller bridge just beyond this one. At the same time, they're digging a subway tunnel underneath the canal right here, the light rail. The tunnel under the canal is already finished, 210 feet below the water. So we're getting ready. If you're looking up front and on the
You can see the cars going up there.
Sticking into the water. That's where the ferry used to go. Before there was a bridge. You see it on the starboard side too. You see where the ferry used to cut across. All these people that are on the ferry.
I'm going to just back up a couple of feet.
Bridge of Americas. Pretty amazing. Start of the Panama Canal. Hi everybody. Sorry, I was talking to my phone actually. Wow. It's not as big as the Golden Gate, but it's still a pretty good sized bridge. And it was the first one in Panama City. You can see the cars up there. We're going to go right underneath it.
On the starboard side, you can see that the pillars starting to go up over there. About 1 o'clock. And that's the beginning of this new bridge they're building. Take a look if you can see it. You see some green color.
Pretty
It's
amazing.
going to be the new bridge.
All right. Panama Canal, here we come. Bye, everybody.